how to buy the Elonius Maximus token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, check their Telegram channel too. It's included in their X account. Now, let's go and buy this token. This token, it's available on the DEX screener. It's created by 4 hours ago and it's increased by 8,000% in the last 24 hours. If you click on the liquidity, you will see that 100% of liquidity is locked. That's mean your investment in the safe place. Another thing is that this token is under Solana network. Now the best choice to be able to buy this kind of token is to use the Phantom wallet. Now go and copy the token address from here and open your Phantom wallet. Click on swap from here. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on it. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now for the provider, select one of these, OKX or Jupiter. For example, Jupiter, and read all of this information here. Now click on swap, and now after that you will be redirected to Jupiter page to be able to complete the buy process. If you face any issues, just go back to this page, click on slip patch, switch it from here or custom it, and now after that you will be able to buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy the Elonius Maximus token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.